Hi Virgos, welcome to your zodiac reading. I hope all of you are doing good. So this is going to be for May 15 to the 31st for you. We will look at the current situation, and basis that we'll also look at what's coming for you in these 15 days, and I'm going to end the reading with an oracle card message. So let us begin and see what we have. Okay, let's see what's going on for you. Let's see. Virgos, what's going on in your current situation? Ten of Wands, Knight of Swords, Three of Swords. Okay. So current situation looks like you had a fight with someone, or something happened with you, or just in general, maybe you're in conflict with yourself. I'm seeing there could be somebody in your life who encourages you to put down the burden of life in general and move towards positivity, but you're not able to do it for some reason. Okay, and that could lead to conflicts, that could lead to problems between just in general between you and this person. I'm seeing sadness, I'm seeing heartbreak, I'm seeing you feeling very burdened pretty much. Okay, this looks to me like you want to end something, but you're not being able to put an end to it. Now, this something can be anything. This something can be a situation in your life. Guys, I'm so sorry about the baby crying in the background. I can't do much about it. Okay, so yeah, it's like you want to put an end to it. Okay, you want to put an end to this burden, but you're not able to do it. Okay, and that is kind of really bothering you to a very large extent, and you feel as if, you know, how should you do it? How should you put an end to this? How would this thing go? All right, so you're a little baffled right now is what I pick up, and it's just kind of bothering you a little too much. All right, let's see now if this resonated. What's coming for you in these 15 days, May 15th to the 31st? Two of Wands, Queen of Cups, the World, the Moon, the Sun, and Six of Wands. Okay. So in the next 15 days, what I see for you here is that you are confident about something. You know that something can happen, but the point is you're being a little too emotional right now, Virgos. You feel that, and that being emotional is like, okay, there are instances in your life when you just feel that, oh God, I so want to put an end to this. Why am I not being able to do it? And you start crying, okay? That's what is happening with you. But listen, the idea is to put an end to how emotional you are feeling right now. Don't feel so emotional that it becomes too much to handle at this point. Okay, and that is the advice to you, that try to balance your emotions. In these 15 days, I'm seeing that the moment you're able to balance your emotions and become a little more patient, focus on other things, okay? This thing, whenever has to work out for you or whenever it has to play out for you, it will, okay? But right now, focus on your own well-being, all right? And don't be extra emotional about things, because that is not what is going to get you what you deserve, okay? Being extra emotional will only lead to problems. It will only bother you. It will only irritate you. So you might as well just, you know, slow down a bit. Don't feel, you know, just kind of relax a bit, because that's the only way you can deal with this situation at this point, okay? Think about your situation, think what you want to do, and then gradually move in that direction, okay? I'm seeing that the moment you're able to control your emotions, you'll be able to balance yourself really well, okay? Let me pick some more cards. At this stage, what I pick up for you is that in these next 15 days, you will feel very emotional. You will still keep feeling very emotional, but so you have to keep your emotional self aside and focus more on your own well-being, okay? Let's see what else. I have a death card here. Yes, it is a lot about patience, okay? And we get it. I get it that you've lost a lot in your life. There are things that are troubling you from inside, but your patience will pay off. And then I have the Lovers here. So you will get what you deserve, Virgos. But it's just that you have to be a little more patient and not be so heavy on yourself. Just kind of take it easy on yourself a bit, okay? Because you have to understand that certain things in life come to you when it is time. And at this stage, I don't think it is time. So, I mean, even to get over something, you need time, okay? You need time. So being extra emotional will only harm you. It will only make you anxious, all right? Now let me pick up a message from the Oracle cards for you. Dragon's Lyre. So this basically means the beginning of a new life and the fear of the unknown before something new begins. So here this is telling you that don't be so fearful about when is this thing going to happen. I'm sorry, I was getting hiccups. Don't be so anxious and so worried about when are things going to fall into place, when is it going to happen, all of these things, okay? It is going to happen when it is time, and trust me, it is going to be for your highest good. But this is all a phase before something new or something beautiful happens in your life. Okay, so trust it, believe it, and things will work out in your favor. Okay, so that is what I have for you, Virgos. Let me know in the comments if this resonated with you, and I also do daily 3-card readings on Instagram. So in case if you're interested, you can let me know. You can also follow me on Instagram, and private readings are also open, so you can reach out to me. Take care. Bye.